Students, as you know that we are doing our chapter data handling, and in previous chapter we have, in the previous exercise 16.2, we have done a lot of questions related to the mean. Now in this chapter we will study the median, how to find the median of a data. And you know that data, there are two type of data, grouped and ungrouped data. In the previous lecture it has been cleared. In this lecture we will study to find out the median. To find out the median, first of all, we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Of for example, if it is given that 3, 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, first of all, if you want to find out the median, first of all, you have to arrange this data into the ascending order. Arranging the data in ascending order. First will be 3, then 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, and because 5 is repeating two times, here is also 5, here is also 5, and then 6. So number of terms, number of observation in this data is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these are also 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But these observations are in written in the ascending order. Ascending order. First of all, you have to write down every data in your ascending order. This is the way to find out the mean. Now you have to observe there are how many observations are written here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of observation is 7, and means number of observation. Number of observations. Observation. Number of observation n is equal to 7. So if number of observation is 7 and 7 is which number? This is odd number. So I will give first of all you a formula to calculate the median of any data when n's are number of observations. दूसरी class change करो please. Number of observation median will be, if n is odd number, then median will become n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation. This will be the n plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is odd number. So this is the formula, and here n is odd. N is odd. And if n is even, then what will be the median? So if n is even, you have to remember this formula to find out the median. If n is even, the median will become 1 by 2th observation. I am writing in this way, small abbreviation OBS. This means observation, n by 2th observation plus n by 2. First of all, you have to write n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. 1th observation and divide by 2. If n is even. So you have to remember this formula. Now in this question, this is your first question from exercise 16.3, and this is your first part of first question. First of all, this is the statement in which data is written. We have to arrange the data in ascending order. This will become 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. And now number of observation in this data is 7. That is odd. As you can count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of observation is 7, and 7 is odd number. So from this formula, we will observe this upper part of this formula. If in your data number of observation are even, then you will use this formula. So dear students, you have to remember this formula, And while calculating, first of all, we have to arrange the in ascending order. Then we will count number of observations. If number of observations are odd, then we will use this. If number of observations are even, then we will use this formula. So in this particular question, first question and first part, n is odd, so we will proceed with this formula. Now we have to rub this because n is even. N plus 1 by 2th observation, n value of n is 7, means 7 plus 2th observation, 8 by 2th observations. This will become 4th observations. And what will be the 4th observation? You have to observe this observation which you have arranged in your ascending order. And you know that after writing in ascending order, this is your first observation. First observation is 1, second observation is 3, third observation is also 3, fourth observation is 4, fifth observation is 5, and sixth observation is 5, and last, that is seventh observation is 6. So by proceeding in this way, we are here, we have to observe seventh observation. Sorry, fourth observation. Fourth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the fourth observation, and I am here circling this to find the median. So this will be the fourth observation will become 4. So median of your first question will become 4. So median of your question will be 4. Okay, students, I hope you are getting this point, and we will do second part of first question. And by doing second part, we will observe in which number of observations are even. In the first part, number of observations are odd, so we are using this formula n plus 1 by 2th observation. एंड अब सेकंड क्वेश्चन हम ट्राई करेंगे तो और ज्यादा क्लैरिटी आएगी. नाउ डाटा फॉर द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज this is the statement, and data is given 315, sorry, this is 6, 1356 5634 and 56. This is the data. First of all, you have to arrange this data in your ascending order. Arrange data in ascending order. First of all, we have to arrange this data in ascending order, and while writing in ascending order, this will become lowest part is 1, then this 3, again 3 is repeating, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6. Is there any term missing? 1, this 3, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6 is repeating it 2 times. So this will be 6. Now we have to count this observation. There are total 8 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of observation in this data, number of observation means n is equal to 8, and 8 is your even number. So we will use the formula to find out the median. Median will be equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th 1th observations and divide by 2. Are you getting this point? कौन सी क्लास? 9th. बुक निकाल लो अपनी, पढ़ो. So n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. N is even, as you know that n is even number, and you have to put the value here. N by 2th observations, I'm writing in short form. N by 2th observation plus 8 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. This will become 4th observation plus 4. After you calculating here 4 plus 1, 5th observation, and divide by 2. Now this will become 4th observation plus 5th observation. And now you have to observe 4th observation. What will be the 4th observation? While observing the 4th and 5th observation, you have to observe this from your ascending order, not your statement. You have to observe these observations from your ascending order data. So in ascending order data, 4th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th observation, and this is the 5th observation. So this will become, now 4th observation is 4 and 5th observation is 5, divide by 2. From here you will get 9 by 2, and this will become 4.5. This will be the in decimal form. So median of this data, median of this question will become 4.5. So this will become the median of data, and you are observing that 4.5 value is not lying in this given statement in any observations. So it is clear that I am repeating at this point again. मीडियन आपका कभी भी डाटा के अंदर डाटा की ऑब्जर्वेशन में लाई कर भी सकता है और नहीं भी. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि वो इन्हीं नंबरों के बीच में से कोई एक ऐसा नंबर आए. ओके, दैट may lie outside from this data. So this was your first question has been complete, in which we have done in first part number of observation was 7, and your in second part number of observation was 8, that is even. And we have done this question complete. Now we will do second question. In the second question, we will study to find out the mode of any data. Simply to find out the mode of any data, if there are given data, this was your second question. From second question, first part, data is given in this way. Your data is given in this way. Data is 3, 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, and 3. This is your data. Now, first of all, you have to arrange this data in your ascending order. First of all, you have to arrange this data in ascending order. Arranging data in ascending order. So by arranging, first part will be 1, 3, 3, 3. Because 3 is repeating 3 times, so we have to write in the same position. Okay, 3, 3, 3. Collectively आपको लिख देना है, because 3 is repeating here, 3, 3, and this 3. Now this is 4 and 5. 5 is repeating 2 times, and then 6. And first of all, we have to find out the mode of this data. What will be the mode? From this question, mode can be easily calculated. You have to observe which value is repeating maximum times. So mode of any data, mode, if you analyze the definition of mode, so what is Mode is a maximum value. Mode is maximum value, maximum times repeating value. जो वैल्यू आपकी मैक्सिमम टाइम्स रिपीट हो रही है दैट विल बी द मोड सिंपली. So for this question 1 is repeating only one time, here 3 is repeating 3 times, and 4 is repeating only one time, and 5 is repeating 2 times, and 6 is repeating only one time. So mode of this data will become 3 because this 3 is repeating 3 times, that is maximum time. So in case of that value, mode with a value that is repeating maximum time. Mode will be the value that is repeating maximum times. Mode is a value that is repeating maximum time. Now from the second part of this question, second question, a table is given and you have to find out the mode from the table. And if this is the group data in which table is given, this is your table in this way. So marks students, marks obtained by the students, and number of students in your statement is given in this format, that is 15 6. Number of marks obtained 15, number of students are 6, and marks obtaining 7, number of students are 17, 20, 12, 22, 18, and 25, 13. So if you want to find out the mode for this data, you have to just simply observe these are the frequency as we have done from the previous exercise, and this is called frequency of your data, and you have to observe which frequency is highest in your data. This is a group data question. This question is called grouped data. In this group data, frequency is given. These are the frequency 6, 17, 12, 18, 13, and you have to, first of all, you have to observe in a group data, mode will be that value which have a highest frequency, and in this question highest frequency is 18, so mode will become 22. Mode will become 22 because 22 have a highest frequency, and highest frequency in this question is 18, so mode will be 22. And concept for this question I'm writing here. In case of group data, grouped data, these are the group data, abbreviation means group. In case of group data, mode will be that value which have highest frequency, and highest frequency for this data is 422, and that frequency is 18, so mode will become 22. So I hope you are getting this point. And in the third question, that is a combination of median and mode. In third question, ungrouped data is given, and in that question we have to find the median and mode collectively, median and mode. So now we will analyze the third question of exercise 16.3, in which we are studying to find out the mean, median and mode. In third question, data is given. Data is given in this format: 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, and 14. This is your statement. And in this statement, you have to find the median and mode of your data. First of all, you have to arrange this data in ascending order. You have to arrange this data in ascending order. So you are observing here, the lowest value of this data is 12, and 12 is repeating 2 times. So 12, 12, then after 13, 13, and 13, because 13 is here, and this point 13 is repeating 2 times, and now 14, 14 is repeating 3 times here, this one and this one. So 14, 14, and 14. Now which value are remaining? The value are remaining 16 and 19. So here we will write 16 and then 19, because highest value in this data is 19. So it will place into the last part. Now we have to find the mode. And you know that in case of ungrouped data, mode with a value which are repeating maximum time, and 14 is a value which is repeating 3 times. So mode of this data will become 14. Simply the value which is repeating maximum time, and 14 is repeating 3 times, so mode will become 14. Now we have to calculate the median. To calculate the median, first of all you have to observe the n. N means number of observation. So in this data, number of observation are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and value of n is 9, and that value is odd. That value is odd. So median will become n plus 1 by 2th observations. 2th observation. And value of n will, we have to put here, n by 2th observation. And this will become 10 by 2, means 5th observation. And from your data, you have to find out the 5th observation. And I am repeating here, when you are observing the 5th observation, you have to observe from your ascending order data, not your statement. आपको अपनी स्टेटमेंट से डाटा को 5th ऑब्जर्वेशन यहां से ऑब्जर्व नहीं करनी है, आपकी जो स्टेटमेंट गिवन है आपको ऑब्जर्व करनी है जो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स में लिखा हुआ है, that you have written in your ascending order data, and you have to observe the 5th observation. First, second, third, fourth, fifth observation is 14. So in this question, median will be 14, and mode is also 14. So this question is giving you an idea. Mode and median will be same value in this question. So median will be 14. Now we will analyze the next question, fourth question. In fourth question, scores in mathematics test out of 25 or 15 students are followers. Find the mode and median of the data. In fourth question, data is given 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20. Due to the space issues, we are writing this data here. After 20, that is written 24, 12, and 20. So first of all, we have to arrange this data in ascending order. and then we have to find the mode and median of your data. So arranging in ascending order, arranging data in ascending order. We are arranging here. The lowest value from this data is, I think that will be the 5. So right here 5, and next value is 9, 10, then 12, 15, 16. Then there will be 19. I think 20 is repeating so many times. 20, this one 20, 20, and here 20. I think it is repeating 4 times. Then 23, then after 24 and 25, this will be the data. Now 25 is repeating 2 times. So we have to write here 25. So first part, you have to arrange this data in ascending order, and after arranging the data in ascending order, आपको क्या करना है, अपने नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस को कैलकुलेट कर लीजिएगा. बाय चांस आपसे कोई ऑब्जर्वेशन छूट ना गई हो, बिकॉज कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशंस रिपीट हो रही हैं यहाँ पे. So there are 15 observation in this data. There are 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all observations are written here. Now, first of all, you have to find out the mode. Mode will be the value that is repeating maximum time, and 20 is repeating 4 times. So mode for this data will be 20. Now you have to calculate the median, and you are know that n is 15, that is odd number, and you have to use the formula of odd number to find out the median. Median will be n plus 1 by 2th observations. 2th observation. So we have to put the value of n. N will be 15 plus 1 by 2th observation, and this will be 8th observation. 8th observation. And now you have to observe your 8th observation. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th. 8th observation is this 20. So median will be equal 20. And for this question, mode and median are same. And it is also asked you that in your question, are the mode and median are same? So you have to write yes, mode and median are same for your data. Okay. So in this way, you have to done this question. And now we will analyze the next question. Fifth statement is given. I am directly arranging this data in ascending order. स्टेटमेंट आपके इस डाटा क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमने स्टेटमेंट लिखी है, बट इन फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन हम सीधी आपको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिख के देते हैं. In fifth question, some data is given, and by observing this data, you have to arrange this data in ascending order, because this is the question in which you have to find the median and mode of the data. This is the fifth question. Arrange the data ascending order. So first value will become 32 from your statement, and next will be 35, 36, 37, 38, and 38 is repeating, I think 2 or 3 times, then 40, 42, and 43 is also repeating 3 times. 43, then 45, and then this will become 47 and 50. I'm writing here 47 and 50. So first of all, the value of n is 15, that is odd. And if you want to find out the median, median will be the n plus 1 by 2th observation. So n 15 plus 1 by 2th observation. So this will become 8th observation. And now you have to observe the 8th observation. What will be the 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th observation will be 40. So median for this question will become 40. Now you have to find out what will be the mode. And now we are calculating mode here. Mode of the value. You all know that mode is the value which is repeating maximum time. Here 38 is repeating 3 times, and 43 is also repeating 3 times. So for this question, mode will become 38 and 43, because 38 and 43 both are repeating 3 and 3 times. So these two value will be mode for your data. And next, it was asked that is there more than one mode? Yes, there are more than one mode, because 38 and 43 are the mode. So dear students, you have to done these questions in your fair notebook of exercise 16.3. This is your homework. You have to complete this exercise. These are the 5 questions as today we have done. 5th, 6th and 7th question you have to try yourself. So you have to complete this exercise in your fair notebook. Okay, student.